What's up guys, Cuber here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a fidget spinner out of a Rubik's Cube. This is a fairly simple modification. You start it off by disassembling the cube, including the caps off the centers. So take the caps off the centers. And then gather your pieces, make sure not to lose some. And then you have this. Then you have this core without centers or anything. And you want to tighten down one row of pieces, so like this row. But not these two. You just want to tighten down this row. So just tighten it down so that the screw gets closer into the little base thing that turns. This is so pieces don't fly off while they're spinning. And then what you want to do is put caps back on. They can be colors of your choice, but it still has to stay in the right color scheme. So I'll put, I want red, and then green, then blue, then orange. So now, but not these two, which are white and yellow. And then you want to find two diagonal pieces. So say this one, put it in, and this one, put it in, so that now you have this, which is sort of this part that spins. Then what you want to do is loosen these two sides that, Wait, where did my screwdriver go? Oh. Okay, so what you want to do is just loosen the two sides that don't have any pieces on them. I just lose a screw. Sometimes they'll fly out at you. Just make sure that they don't, or contain them. These pieces may fall off, but you can just put them back on later. Here, let's put them back on. Okay, and now we're just going to loosen the opposite one till it's off. Oh, it's not off yet. So once it's off, make sure that the middle's still the same. And then, this middle's being annoying. The middle wants to move when the pieces aren't there. Just make sure that it doesn't move. And then what you want to do is screw the other pieces in 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Then do the same with the other one. This one flew out at me. But 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And then the pieces should be fairly loose. I actually lost a spring on this one, so it's looser, but that won't affect it if there's a spring or not. And then it will spin in the middle. So if you want it to be faster, just hold really lightly and try not to touch the screw. So do it like that. But yeah, it's sort of bulky, but it's a fidget spinner out of a Rubik's Cube, so it doesn't go as long as fidget spinners, but it's just a cool thing to have. And it looks really cool while spinning. And, like, you can loosen it. Also, these pieces, yeah, these are really nice. Novelty item. If you have a Rubik's Cube extra, but don't have a fidget spinner, you can make one of these. This is just the first way I could make it. If you have another way, link it in the description after you made a video. But that's all I have for today. I'll have some videos of me doing some stuff with this. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you're new. Bye, guys. This turned out really well. It doesn't go as long as fidget spinners, but it is really nice and nice to have. Also, if you have a bunch of Rubik's Cubes but can't afford a fidget spinner, this is the best way you can make it so far. It does have some popping problems, but this is a really successful mod.